there viewer. In this scenario video, we are going to come up with a plan for proof of concept prototype and business idea. The scenario is at a shopping mall. Why not a shopping district of a mid-sized European city, where we meet our main character, Anne. Anne is doing her normal shopping like everyone else, and gathering the things which she needs for work and home throughout the week. Anne is also looking into new interesting things and trying to find out miscellaneous things and items for her hobbies and other such small things which one might need for a job or other things in addition of normal groceries. However, Anne notices that she really doesn't know anything about the background of any of the stuff she has just bought. She has been reading from the papers and the media, and of course from the internet, because no one reads papers anymore, that actually the planet's health is declining, and that's actually a really worrisome thing. Anne also quickly notices that there seems to be huge variety of different things, and more puzzlingly, different prices for the seemingly same things.
There are fruits and vegetables, which some of them are locally produced and some of them are coming from the other side of the globe.
This is something that piques Anne's interest. Anne decides to investigate this further by going into a hobby shop and a sports store to pick up new hiking boots. She finds out that there's a huge difference in prices and there is a huge opportunities and different possibilities available, but actually there is a problem.
There is no way of knowing which ones are actually something that's at the same time affordable and durable, and also something that's environmentally friendly or even easy to fix. It would be useful to know, for example, where they are made, how they are made. Is the company doing all the things it should to help the planet?
This makes Anne stop and start to think about recycling and how the products will live after the product has served its purpose, or it needs to be fixed or switched to a new one.
I have my phone with me all the time, so how could I actually make a product or some sort of thing to find out more data from different products? Or could I have a mobile application which could provide me tips and consumer advice, or tell me about the products and buying, or show me products that would be economically friendly and sensible to buy, being high quality and seeing that they're usable? Is there something like this already, and why isn't this information easily available?
Anne ponders for this for a moment. This product should allow her to search for different items or companies or things, and it could perhaps learn about her habits and show interesting things for her. Because these things tend to tell and learn different types of information, and this could be useful.
For a large purchase like new hiking boots or new skiing overalls, or even buying a new car or considering which vegetables are economically friendly and carbon neutral, this could be huge. So, is there a way for me to create a product and also be part of the huge and growing number of people who would be saving the planet? Maybe I'll head home right now and make some notes and designs on how the service could be built. Perhaps if I could get funded with advertisements or some other ways by those companies which making a good job. This might actually be a worthwhile sign-up, and also I think that we could sell for other companies or online retailers, so that's huge potential for green conscious customers, and people would be also benefiting from this information.
So, just like that, Anne got her idea for a new prototype. To create a mobile tool and to create a usable service site which helps people to shop around for economically friendly products while making an influence on the markets and saving the planet.